Welcome again. In this session, we are going to talk about next operator, and that is very common to us, and that is string operator. So, what is a string operator? A string operator is that operator which is used for strings, and we know this. This is called plus symbol arithmetic operator, and when we use this one with a string, it merges the strings. How? In this way. Suppose the first string is this one, second string is this one. Now if we use plus between them, what happens? They are merged to each other and we get this one. It's very simple, and these are the expressions we can use our QBasic. This is our normal mathematical expressions, and in QBasic we have to convert using the operators in this way. Okay. This is the Boolean expression which is just 0 or 1. We know that, and nothing more we have to do that. Simply we have to use the operators to convert them into QBasic expressions there. And all the extended variables, so whatever we use, they are called the operands, and the operators like arithmetic relation, they are called the operators, the symbols. And when we combine operator and operand, that becomes operation. Yes, nothing more there. Okay, now let's see an example of this one. Going to run it. Here is the output. We can see here same, then len. Yes, we can also use the b dollar, then a dollar. If we first use b dollar, then the len becomes first position, and the same it was in second position. It's very simple there. I hope you also cover this one. Okay, thank you.